Hello, this is just a update video for our live stream that I did yesterday. I did an abstract painting, and in this case I put masking fluid over it using this tool, which is a very thin application tool. And I did several other techniques with the watercolour painting, as you can see. I got to that stage, but the live stream I couldn't take the masking fluid off because I had to wait for it all to dry. So it's dry now, and I've taken that off. It came off very easily because I used it in a very thin application of masking fluid. By the way, masking fluid in the US is called Frisket, I believe, but I'll use the term masking fluid. I am going to do something else with this, and I'm going to use this again because it's a very universal tool. I hope it is anyway. I've got some Winsor & Newton water-based calligraphy ink, and I'm going to I've put it in there, and we're going to, because it's black, it will counteract these white areas. So hopefully I'm going to be able to do some nice art with it. I'm just gonna, it is notoriously bad for getting started. There we go, that's my test piece. I'm ready. So you just got to be really rapid with this. And just as the rest of the artwork is fairly random, I don't want to create overly obvious points. So this is just to complement this white area. I'm trying to stay within the boundaries of the white areas because that's what I want it to. I don't want it to obscure the nice work that we've done too much of the colour. So I'm not far off being finished, I think. And that's probably where I'll leave it. Let that dry. The black has nicely contrasted and broken up a bit of that white space. I could put bits of gold on it at a later date, but I think that's where I'll leave it. I'll take a photograph of it and put it up and we'll review it. Here's the second picture that we looked at. What I might do with this is use it as a backdrop for some mixed media work or some other fine art, incorporating all these nice colours and the abstract shapes into some sort of picture or painting. But before I do that, I will definitely take a photo of this as an abstract image in its own right. I mean, you could leave it as that, and a lot of people do like that kind of work. But I want to use this as a backdrop, as I said. So that's where we've got with this one, and we'll move this forward. And at the end of this video, there will be a few seconds where we can have a quick look and a more detailed look at the picture from a photographic viewpoint, because video, much as it is very nice, it doesn't pick up all the interesting bits that you can see. What you can see now is both of the photographs that we did from the end images, and they do come out a lot clearer with photos. We've looked at both of the pictures. We know where we're going with them. And this has been a really interesting session for me to be able to learn more about how to set things up. The live were a success to some extent, and this is just a follow-up video to thank you for sticking with me. And if you can come along again, or if it's your first time, please subscribe and click the bell so that when I do another video, you'll be there with me. So thank you and bye.